Today I would like to talk about my saddlebag. Okay, there are many saddlebag, but this is mine. Without my saddlebag, I'm useless. Alright, this is a Motorwolf 5-liter saddlebag that is mounted on the rear of my bike. It's actually latched onto a rack that is fastened onto the bike body. And let's take it out and unravel its contents. Alright, this is the Motorwolf saddlebag. Very solidly built, waterproof, and it has a top flap closure. There's a steel buckle to keep it in place. You pop open the main clips and all that, so it's a roll flap. This is really waterproof. The content inside, dry. I tested it out in some situation where there was rain and all that. So I primarily use this for carrying my tools. Okay, just to give you an insight, let's take out the toolkit. I have here a tool roll here from Uswe. They make motorcycle and mountain bike bags. This is a Swedish company. Okay. Okay, put the bag aside. Just organize the equipment here. So this is an organizer bag from Kifaru. I had this like for 20 years and it's been lying around, and now it's being repurposed to carry my recovery equipment. Open it up. First thing you have here is a spare tube that corresponds with the tire size. So 90, 116. I believe this is the width, the height of the tire, and the size of the motorcycle rim. Very thick, very robust, no issues at all carrying it around. Just a bit heavy. I had two. I just recently used one to replace my punctured inner tube. Okay, put the tube aside. A set of tire levers. These are very cheap to procure. This is like around 8 ringgit a piece. I bought two. If you have a flat tire, you need to remove the tire tread from the rim. This is what you need. You cannot use screwdrivers or peel off your tire with your bare hands, because it takes a lot of effort and could be impossible if you have your weak and tired. Okay, tire levers aside. Okay, put aside this. Okay, this is a very crucial component in my toolkit. Okay, this is the EPB10 electric pump made by Nightcore. So basically, it's a straightforward looking device. You use this end here to put it on your bicycle tire valve, but I don't find this kind of valve too practical, because once you stick it in, you need space. So what they do is that they actually sell an optional adapter in this form. Okay, it's an extended tube. This is the business end you put on your tire valve, and you connect this end to the pump. Make sure it's snug, and then hit the on button. Hold it, press it, and hold it for 5 seconds or more, and it will give you the battery indicator. Okay, now it's on. So what we have here is you have a user preference on the pressure that you need to set. Okay, it can be used to measure your air pressure. Okay, this is very important. This is for motorcycles. This is the only model. They have a smaller one, but this is the only model powerful enough to inflate your motorcycle tire. Then you have road bike, high pressure, mountain bike low pressure, and for sports equipment like basketball or a soccer ball or a football. Press it again, hold it, then it will go off. Okay, very integral part of my daily carry on the bike. Okay, next we have is this electric jump starter. Now a lot of people complain that the PG-1 doesn't come with a kickstarter and all that. You know, this is the 2025. We're in the 21st century, so everything has gone electric and electronic. If you don't have a kickstarter, I don't think you should worry and run around like a headless chicken. What we have here is a jump starter unit. Once fully charged, you plug in the connector. You can see that the level of power and all that, and you have these alligator clips for the positive and negative side. Just clip it on, strike the on button, and hit your starter. You will get some pulse. Power will go onto your starter to kick up the crank and all that. So once you get the engine running, keep it running, let your motorcycle's alternator give some charge to your battery and go to the nearest shop to recover. A lot of things need to be done at the shop, not by yourself. So this battery thing, this solves the cannot start motor, battery issues and all that. Okay, next I have my tool roll. Now it's separated into 3 compartments. The first compartment, there's I have some light tools. Seems to be caught here. Okay, never mind, I'll skip that. Let's go to the second compartment. Second compartment, this is one of the most important tools that I carry. I have a ratchet, okay, and 3 sockets. The sockets that I use, 19mm, I have a 17 and a 14. So this thing has a fast quick release connection to the ratchet. So this is a tiny little ratchet, small enough to be packed in your tool roll, and it has forward and reverse direction. So I use this together with my monkey wrench. Monkey wrench is small, right? Small, but it gives you actually the grip and some leverage. So when you're removing your tire skewer bolt, this is the go-to tool for you. So the monkey wrench will hold the retaining bolt, and this will take out the live bolt from your skewer bolt to take it out. So this is basically to remove the rear tire for a tube change, and for any assessment if there's a puncture. I'm gonna put it back together with all the other sockets. Compartment fits very well. I don't know what's wrong with this. The label is stuck. Okay, solve the problem. So I got 2 flat screwdriver by Vessel. This is actually a gift with the monkey wrench and the mini ratchet. So these are good for something get wedged and all that. You just need to pry, but never use this to work on your tire. You may puncture your tube. Okay, I have another mini ratchet here that goes with the tool bit, but the tool bit here I got it wrong. The only ones that I can use is the Phillips and the flat. So what it does is that you take out the tool bit. Really wedge really tight here. You take out the tool bit, you put it into the adapter here, and you use it to you know, tighten or loosen your nuts and bolts. But this only good for accessories because it's such a small part. I need to update this. I need to go with the hex bits. These are not useful at all because these are, I think, mainly for electronics. Yes, star bits, not useful. I'll put this back. Having a tool roll, you know, you have everything in one place and it's not messy. Last but not least, I have a Leatherman multi-tool. Okay, this is a rebar, a coated rebar. Actually, this is not the standard rebar. This is, I think, is one of those khaki colored coating rebar with a needle nose plier and a wire cutter. Very useful, and you never know when you need it. And basically, it's a survival tool. You have a pocket knife. You have basically all the tools you need in one place. There's even a file here that you can use. You know, you need to file things down. A sheep's foot serrated blade for cutting ropes. You also have a wood saw. Okay, redundant, just like the toolkit, redundant Phillips screwdriver, and a combination bottle cap and can opener. The Leatherman sits inside my tool roll. Some guys have suggested Knipex tools, or Knipex or Knipix or whatever, you know, one of those tiny little pliers that looks like what you use for plumbing work. Need to research that a bit, whether it's practical or not. The tool roll goes like that. Once you keep it, it's all good. So there you have it, man, the contents of my saddlebag. This is what I carry, and I carry another saddlebag on the other side of the motorcycle. It contains a tire sealant. I tried that, didn't work because my inner tube was torn. I also use there's a fire extinguisher inside the saddlebag. I'm not going to show you. There's also a emergency work light. I think I need to take that to the shop because it's not working, faulty. So there you have it, man, the contents of my saddlebag.